Katanat Arts and Culture jongka Sarkar Jala, haka sngi sajany kala penlong ke jingra ke lengku, sngi klat ba prapuis nem umelung sosotam, ha conference hall jongka KJP. Haba krem haka ke jingra ke menteri kate katanat, ba sanbor sulai ulong, bayu umelung sosotam, lanyo ku murat ba haka history, jongka to katar jongka Jala Meghalaya. Daka ba ong baga ketin kasi, kan umpoy shikane ka kerdan, kumba kalong menta, lemda day naga jingno senyang jong usosotam. Ulong ru bagi kambarat ba jeng kikentup nadu ka poetry ka duit raksiar kisngi barim buhan yutrep baru ka power esop. Ulong ru ba usasatam ude urang ba banengkong ban penankam mikikitin kasi badan arjingmud. Haba berablang komisioner and secretary katanat arts and culture uba Frederick Harkongor ulong baladan kam bandan ka kusnam ka pegarpang. Kabade ka kerteng jung usasatam nakamta ka jingno senyang ha katok katar.
Is a great thinker and an ardent poet of our state. He is also remembered for his compilation of poems like Ki Poetry Ukasi, Kaduita Raksiar, Barkisngi Barim Punyautrep, which is one of the most distinguished works. He was the first poet to initiate secular literature and also the first person to use of Khasi idioms to translate works like Aesop's fable title, Kiphar o Aesop. He is being idolized and regarded as the symbol of golden age in the literary history of Meghalaya. Due his genius and creativity, he was produced some of the classic in Khasi literature, which in turn have rendered great credibility and honor to the Khasi language, especially in the field of poetry and fables. In the art of poetry, he shines out as a foremost star in the constellation of Khasi poet. And I must admit that Khasi literature would never have reached its present glory and it not been for the mighty contribution of Uliet Babu Sosotham. The name of Sosotham rests on the highest pinnacle among the literary towers and he stood head and shoulder over all the other poets. I'm happy that the government has taken the initiative to commemorate his death anniversary with the support from his family members, and I hope that this will continue in the years to come. By his demise, the Khasi people have lost a great genius. Yet even though his physical presence is no more with us, but his spirit and his name live on forever through the invaluable legacy he has left behind him for the Khasi people and for all of us present here today.
Pinnacle amongst the literary towers. So this itself shows the high regard that he had been held by the Khasi society at large about the various achievements, the poetic achievements as a literary icon and the mark that he continues to make and that he continues to inspire. The words of Sumar Singh Sovian just now, where he encapsulated the various values of self-reliance and entrepreneurship are something which we must carry in our hearts. And just like we lighted candles when we laid the wreath just now, I think Sosotham and the flame of the spirit of Sosotham needs to continue to live on in our hearts, and especially today as we remember him. In all societies, the position of the poet laureate is extremely important. We see how the English revere Shakespeare and Wordsworth. We see how the Bengalis revere Rabindranath Tagore, and not only the Bengalis but India at large. And also most recently at the swearing in of the US President Joe Biden, you saw that at the swearing in there was the young poet laureate Amanda, a young black girl who was the poet laureate, and the importance which is given by the American nation to have a poet laureate be physically present and to read out those wonderful words at the swearing in of the US President. So that itself establishes the place of the poet laureate as the custodian of the nation's conscience, as a pioneer in various aspects. So too, Sosotham continues to live on in our consciousness. And as mentioned by Kong Saralin Tham, the fact that the government has given a holiday in his name is just one of the few things. Of course, the State Central Library is now named as Sosotham Auditorium. We were just discussing with the Honourable Minister that there should be a dedicated award also to be instituted in the name of Sosotham for the best works of literature. So shortly, perhaps in the coming year, from the department under the leadership of our minister, and also with the active work from our director, we hope that there will be a literary award which will be instituted in his name to recognize and to felicitate the outstanding works of Khasi literature. So we already have Tirot Singh Award and Patogan Sangma Award and Kyangnongba Award, but we need to have a Sosotham Award as well to make his name live on amongst our community and in our state, and to establish the centrality of the contribution of Sosotham in our daily life.